The Jordan Spizike Low DMP brings a bold fusion of heritage and modern flair as it revives the essence of the iconic Defining Moments pack. Celebrating Michael Jordan's championship pedigree, the sneaker features a striking palette of crisp white leather, rich black overlays, and gleaming metallic gold accents. Drawing DNA from the Air Jordan 3, 4, 5, and 6, it creates a hybrid silhouette rooted in legacy. Gold satin tongues and elephant print trim inject a sense of luxury and nostalgia, while molded heel tabs enhance the retro vibe. Mars Blackmon and 40 Acres branding on the heel nod to Spike Lee's lasting impact on Jordan culture. While the release date remains unconfirmed, the Spizike Low DMP is expected to launch later this year via Nike.com and select stores. This design is more than a tribute, it's a modern homage to the moments that defined MJ's greatness, tailored for today's sneaker fans.